So this is the ultimate application, and pretty much have a lot of wallpapers that you can use as it relates to your calling wallpapers. So here you have the anime section, you have the cat section, you have the dog section. You can pretty much just scroll across and look for what you want. So do make sure to tap on the arrow icon here where the ad is showing to pretty much see the bottom half of the screen down here, where you can go in different section. You have the design section here, which pretty much offers some call icon, which you can also select whichever one you want. You can also tap on the see more option to see more of these. Once you have selected that, you pretty much can select your call icon. You're pretty much good to go. You just tap on the ticket icon there and you're good to go. So that's really pretty much it for that application, and I'm gonna go market section here. So some of them you can pretty much need to watch an ad to unlock them, but the ones without the ad you can just simply just tap on the option that you want to use and go ahead and set it. We'll pretty much carry through a setup process. Once you have done that, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's really pretty much it.